Hello, my name is Brooke Manuel. I am helping Aaron with his new Odessa College virtual workshop series. This one is about how to succeed in an online class. So a little bit about me. I've been a tutor at Odessa College for a little over a year now. I tutor English, any of the literature courses, and writing. I currently attend Sul Ross State University. My major is English and my minor is journalism. So what makes online classes different? So you're able to work on your own schedule, which is really nice, but it can also be a bit of a challenge. We'll talk about that in a little bit. There's no commute to class. You get to sleep in, which is really nice for us college students since we're always super busy and usually tired. It's more relaxing to be at home, which can be also a pro and a con. But it also requires much more discipline and organization than attending classes in person. So some of the pitfalls of online classes: it can be harder to reach your classmates, but with modern technology, there's so many ways to combat that issue. You have so much technology at your fingertips. You can set up study groups with all types of different apps like Zoom, GroupMe, and WhatsApp. I use that with some of my classmates just so we can contact each other and kind of talk about classwork, maybe ask each other questions that we don't feel like asking the teacher. Just like if it's a simple question, sometimes you can just ask your classmates, they might know the answer. One feature of Blackboard that I feel like some students don't know about, I use it pretty often, is this little email feature. So if you go to your course on Blackboard, on the left-hand side, there's all of these options. And then you can click send email and you can choose who you want to send it to. So you can send it to all the other students in the course. And that way maybe you can set up a group chat or study groups, something like that, just to help each other out. Another pitfall of online classes is that it can be easy to procrastinate since you don't have like a strict schedule. I mean, you have due dates, but you have quite a bit of time to get things done, but you don't want to wait until last minute. That's just going to set you up for failure. Also, it's easy to procrastinate because there's lots of distractions at home. It can be harder to catch up once you get behind on your assignments. Organization and time management are very important when you're taking online courses because it's all up to you to get your work done. You're not going to class, 2 days a week or 3 days a week, and you don't have somebody telling you this is what you need to do. It's online and you have to make yourself do it. So even though, like we talked about some of the pros of online classes, even though they seem nice because you can just do it from home or you can do it from a coffee shop or whatever, sometimes they have more classwork than the classes that you attend in person, just because you're making up for that time that you would be in a lecture in like normal in-person classes. So some ways to help you succeed in your online classes is to plan ahead. You want to be sure to watch for deadlines. I always use a planner, and like every couple of weeks I'll go through the syllabus for all of my classes and I'll put all of the assignments in my planner. You can go as detailed as you want. You can color code them or whatever. You want to make backup plans for maybe if you have Wi-Fi issues. Be sure that maybe there's there's so many options. Like you can go to your local library, you can go to a coffee shop. There's so many places that have Wi-Fi for you to use. It's nice to find a good workspace though, a place that you dedicate to schoolwork, and remove all of the distractions from that workplace so that you can you can devote your attention to your schoolwork. Some keys to success in online classes is to talk to your instructors. That's what they're there for. They don't mind. You know, that's why their contact information is on the syllabus. Some of them will even tell you, like, just send me a text message or call me or email me. But they want to hear from you. They want to know that you're understanding the coursework, and they want to know if you have any questions. Also, we here at OC have quite a few online resources for you guys, even for strictly like remote or online students. We have online tutoring. You can sign up for that online at the LRC website. There's also supplemental instructors for some courses, which is like a kind of like a group tutoring thing where there will be extra information about the coursework. And some of the other LRC resources are the Super Search, which is basically like a whole compilation of online databases that we have access to. It's really nice. I definitely would recommend y'all looking into it. It's helpful for research papers, or even if you don't have a research paper, just if you don't quite understand the coursework, you can look up more about it on there. We have the virtual library, we have Blackboard Specialist, and we also have in-person tutors at the LRC. And I believe they're in the STEM Center and the Writing Center as well. And that is it for today. If you have any requests for certain workshops, you can contact that email right there, lrc@odessa.edu. Thank you. That was it for today.
Okay, not bad. That was really good.
Oh,
It just really reiterated like information and just like making me know that